Hello everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabin here from Sabin Digital. Welcome to my tribe review. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review for the training course which has been put out together by a Fergal down. This training course is going to be showing you that how you can start a profitable Facebook group which will allow you to drive an insane amount of free traffic and create an affiliate marketing system which is going to be making your money completely on autopilot. And this is one of the greatest products that you are going to be seeing on marketing on Facebook. And best part about this method is you don't have to do any kind of a manual effort. Once you completely set up this system, you only have to normally wait and you only have to normally focus on getting in a traffic every single day. The system will require a 2 to 3 hour effort for the very first time to set it up properly, but once you completely set up, you don't have to worry about anything at all. And there are altogether 12 lessons which has been put out together by a Fergal down that I'm going to be breaking down in this review. So if you want to find more detail about the tribe, make sure you are going to be watching this review until the end. But before we normally begin with a review of the product, I do want to show you a few things as well. If you decided to get your copy of our tribe, make sure you are going to be clicking a link which will be down below this video, which will take you to the exact same bonus page where you will not only get a copy of our tribe, on top of that you are also going to be getting some insane bonuses that I have got for you. So let's quickly have a look to the bonuses that I have got for you. So first ever bonus is going to be a basic version, pro version and done for you conversion version of my product called Profit Madness. This is a product that I have recently launched on 15th of April, and you are going to be getting a copy of this one completely free of cost. This funnel worth $300 which you are going to be getting completely free as a bonus in exchange of getting your copy by using my affiliate link. Another will be email marketing explosion. In this one you are going to be learning every single thing that you need to know about email marketing. Another is going to be a passive profit site. If you want to normally make any money from a website, you have to create the website, but making any money from that website is not an easy task. And sometimes if you desire to normally make a passive profit from that website, you are going to be facing a lot of difficulty. So inside a passive profit site, I'm going to be showing you that how you can normally make a passively profit from your website. Another will be a traffic blueprint effect. In this one, I'm going to be showing you that how you can normally drive a highly targeted traffic every single day without doing any kind of a hard work and start making some serious profit as an online marketer, and this traffic will be free of cost. Another will be mega affiliate secret. Starting affiliate marketing is not a big deal, but making that affiliate marketing business profitable is a big deal. So inside a mega affiliate secret, I'm going to be showing you how you can normally start an affiliate marketing business which is going to be making your money consistently even if you are not doing any kind of a work. And the last will be all vendor bonus. Once you get your copy of a tribe by clicking any of the yellow or red button throughout the bonus page, just click on the similar image or you can call it a similar button, access affiliate bonus inside a Warrior Plus and get access to exclusive bonuses completely free of cost. So let's begin the review of the product by taking a look into a sales page for a little bit. As you can see here, you don't need to do a SEO, blogging, video marketing, paid traffic or any kind of a technique. That how you can use a Facebook 2.7 billion traffic loophole and how you can make a profit from that. As you can see, free hack ethically put a $151.36 every single day into your pocket. And if you normally come here using a 2.7 billion visitor, by clicking this button you can get your copy. Here is some of the income proof of a Fergal down here. If you scroll it below, the product has been put out together by a Fergal and Ben. These two guys are an amazing marketer, and if you normally scroll it below, they have provided every necessary detail that you need for getting your copy. There is also an overview of the module here, what you are going to be getting. First is going to be a first step. Second is going to be creating an initial step. I will add pin post here, a group converter, I will add Facebook profile converter, initial member here, and I will add getting a traffic, and I will add what to promote, I will add comment ladder, and I will add FB live, case study, and the final conclusion. These are the exact same training module which has been included here, but I think I'm going to be explaining them in more depth. Okay, so first which you are going to be getting will be overview video. So let me go to a overview page. In a overview page, you are going to be getting in a first overview video where Fergal Down is going to be explaining the method behind this particular loophole and how you can begin with that particular method. Another is quick proof video, so some income proof and a case study for you. So if you are just getting started, you need some sort of a motivation which you are going to be getting from this case study. Another will be initial setup. On initial setup, you are going to be learning here how you can create a graphic to attract a traffic. You can use a Canva to create a free graphic that is the exact same thing that Fergal Down will show you. Another will be pin post. So pin post, you can consider it a welcome email or a welcome message to a people, and normally invitation to engage with your content. How you can create that for your Facebook group, so whenever someone is going to be visiting them, they are going to be going through that and they are going to be getting attracted, they are going to be engaging with that one. Another will be group converter, which is also really important, because inside a group converter you are going to be using normally email extractor of a Google Chrome to extract an email of those member, and you are going to be adding them on your email list. You are going to be promoting them through that way as well. Another will be Facebook profile funnel. How you can turn your simple Facebook profile into a lead generation funnel, which is going to be driving automated traffic every single day, which is going to be building your list and which is going to be making you money, which is another best part about that. And if you normally scroll it below, there is an initial member as well. So at the first point, you are going to be getting like a zero member, right? You have got a zero traffic technically. You have got a zero buyer. You have to focus on growing it. So this is going to be showing you the exact same process for growing. Then it comes to getting a traffic, which is one of the thing that I have personally been excited inside the Tribe product. 4 different traffic method on this page which you are going to be discovering. First traffic method, second traffic method, third traffic method, fourth traffic method, and the 5th traffic method, how you can grow your Facebook group faster so you can normally get a lot of traffic. And that 5th video is a bonus for you. Okay, and what to promote. So now you have got a traffic, you have got an audience, you have got an email to promote. You also need something to promote. So this will show you how you can promote some high converting affiliate offer that is going to be making you a lot of profit. And done for you auto approval product. You can normally promote this product called a wealth system and normally make an high ticket commission, or you can promote a recurring product from a Son, which is a perpetual income 365, which is going to be paying you at least $27 every single month per customer. Or you can also normally promote some other product from a Warrior Plus as well. Another is comment ladder. How you can use a comment ladder formula on any Facebook post that you are going to be creating, and which comment ladder formula is going to be helping you to rank it and also going to be helping you to normally get more audience on the post that you have created promoting something. A Facebook live promo, you know how you are going to be promoting something on a Facebook live. If you are not one of those who are comfortable coming in front of a camera doing a live and all those things, you can clearly ignore the lesson number 10. Lesson number 11 is important for a motivation, a case study, the amount of a result that Fergal Down himself has got, or some of his student has got by using the exact same method. And another will be the final conclusion. So basically this is a Tribe course where you are going to be getting every single thing that you need for making at least $100 completely free of cost with a free traffic as a beginner. And I personally recommend this course for you to normally try out. So if you are excited to get your copy, make sure you are going to be visiting the bonus page, click any of this button and get your copy. And pricing, funnel and all those other basic detail will be also updated inside my review page, where you are going to be finding a detailed information about their funnel as well. Sabine signing out with a review of a Tribe. If you really enjoy my review, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know in the comment below. I'm going to check you out on the next one.